Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how you can install Richo 201 printer. Uh, Before I'm gonna start the tutorial video, I must request you to subscribe my channel. So my system is ready, my printer is ready. I'm going to install this driver through network wire. Machine is ready. As you can see, first of all you must ensure that your network is enabled for your printer configuration. Administration to network. Go to the interface setting. Here is the setting of network. Machine IPv4 address. Auto obtain DHCP. Yes. Now system can obtain IP automatically. Just plug the network wire with your laptop or PC. Just go to the control panel, then open your printer. Here is the option device and printers and add printer option. Use this add printer option. Here system can also identify itself MP201 printer. If you will install this driver on Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, you have to download its driver from Richo site. Otherwise I'm using this window. Here you can install easily. Now just next, printer will install automatically. It will take few minutes. After installing your driver, you will see here is the driver. Now I will send the test page command, printer properties. Now command has been sent. Now test page comes out. There is. Now your printer is ready to print. This is the way you can install your printer, a very easiest way. If you have any query, you can ask me in your question section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.